Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Leftovers stay safe in the fridge for up to 4 days when stored properly in airtight containers. Cool food quickly to prevent bacteria growth. After 4 days, throw leftovers out to avoid food poisoning. Always reheat leftovers until they're steaming hot all the way through. This simple rule helps keep you safe and reduces food waste.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.